Hello and welcome to the RISC-OS community. This video demonstrates the usage of the Wake on LAN application, which allows you to use a RISC-OS machine to remotely start a Wake on LAN compatible computer. One of the first things we need to know is the network broadcast address. Open a task window and then type ifconfig-a to display the network information for all interfaces attached to this machine. Here we are interested in EJ0. The broadcast address is as highlighted, 192.168.1.255. We need to remember this for later. The MAC address is also shown under Ether. It will be necessary to use a similar command on the machine that you wish to wake to determine its MAC address. Now let us demonstrate using the WIMP application to remotely start another computer. Clicking on the icon bar icon opens the main application window. In the top writable icon, labelled Target MAC ADDR, enter the MAC address of the remote device. This will need to have been determined on the remote machine using a similar method as used earlier for the broadcast address. Then, in the lower writable icon, labelled IP Broadcast ADDR, enter the broadcast address we determined earlier. We are now showing the video output of the remote device. Clicking the Run button sends the Wake on LAN network packet to the target device, and we see the command output in the log window. As you can see, the target device is going through its usual boot up procedure. For the purposes of this demonstration, this footage has been sped up. Now let us demonstrate using the command line to perform the same task. Like most RISC-OS utilities, this assumes that Wake on LAN has already been seen by the filer. Open a task window and then type the following: Wake on LAN -m space, followed by the MAC address of the remote device, which is not case sensitive, then another space followed by -b space and our broadcast address, in this case 192.168.1.255. As before, we are showing the video output of the remote device. Press enter and the Wake on LAN packet is sent. Again, the target device is going through its usual sped-up boot procedure. You will notice that this command did not provide any output, which can be useful when using this command in an obey file. We will again demonstrate using the command line, but this time include the output of the command. As before, open a task window and type Wake on LAN -m space, followed by the MAC address of the remote device, then another space followed by -b space and our broadcast address, and this time add a space -v for verbose to the end of the command. Press enter and the Wake on LAN packet is sent. However, this time we see the output from the Wake on LAN command. In this video, we have shown several ways to use the Wake on LAN application to remotely start compatible machines from your RISC-OS computer. Thanks for watching.